Okay, so this is to do with building a new bike shed, okay, and we know this bike shed it's got a base X meters and length Y meters, and then you've got to sort of follow these rules then, okay, regarding that. So it says X and Y have got to be whole numbers, the length and width here got to be whole numbers. X is greater than 3 and Y is got to be greater than 5, okay, so it's got to satisfy those sort of properties. And then we've got a formula here, and it says then, what's the formula for calculating the length Y meters of a bike shed X meters wide that can hold B bikes? Circle your answer here. Now all you've got to do, right, is they're asking for the formula in terms of Y, okay, so we have Y equals, right, so it's a case of rearranging this, so you get Y equals, that's all it's asking for, okay, in terms of the being X meters wide and B bikes. So we take this here, right, the formula, and we rearrange it to get Y equals. And all you've got to do, use this space down here, B equals 6xy over 5. So we take the 5 up, okay, and multiply, of course, because you're dividing here, take it up and multiply, so 5b equals 6xy. And then to get y on its own, you take the 6x over and divide, okay, because it's 6x times y, take it over and divide. And you get y, it's 5b over 6x, and one of them's got to be here, isn't it? Okay, that one there, yeah? So we've circled our answer. Right, with part B, it says, head teacher decides to place signs around the school site to stop pupils using their bikes on the grassed areas, okay? So here the sign, right, has been put in the newsletter, if you read this. So this is the size of it in the newsletter, but it says, doesn't it, that a similar new sign is actually the actual sign and is placed, and it's of this size, but it's similar in shape to the one that's put in the newsletter. So what you do is then, because it's similar in shape, you find a scale factor, and you can see these two sides correspond. So to get a scale factor, it's either going to be 2.1 over 33.6 or the other way around, 33.6 over 2.1. Okay, it's one or the other. Now in this case, because we want to work out now the how wide the sign is, right, we're going to correspond this side to this one, and you just got to ask yourself, to go from here to here, am I making it bigger or smaller? To go from 2.6 to the actual one, I've got to make it bigger, haven't I? I've got to make 2.6 bigger. So if I'm making 2.6 bigger, I multiply it by the bigger scale factor. In other words, the bigger fraction, the one with the biggest number on the top. So 33.6 divide by 2.1, and if you work that out in your calculator, you get 41.6. okay, so that's what we put here in terms of our answer.